You're welcome, Karine. Oh. Have you been to Moon Palace in Ocho Rios?
I have not been to Moon Palace.
It's a beautiful property.
You've been there, obviously.
Yes, it's lovely.
Yeah.
And apparently it's so lovely and it's been doing so well that another one is going up after 4 years. Is it 4 years already?
Another
of operating
one in
Jamaica. The Mexican entity Palace Resorts, they're spending $270 million US again to expand its footprint in the island with a brand new property of additional 750 rooms. Wow. Oh, they bought rooms on the beach.
I mean, they bought rooms
because I was
on the
wondering where they're going to put it up. There's a property in Ochi called Rooms on the Beach.
Oh.
Apparently they purchased rooms on the beach in Ocho St. Anne. The company has committed to working with the government of Jamaica through the UDC to fast-track the development of the epicenter of Jamaica by boosting the region with plans to add even more sophistication, panache, and beauty to the tourist mecca of its focus on a luxury market. So, wow, of course it's going to benefit tourism. Clifton Reeder, Managing Director of Moon Palace, says the implementation of the upgrades to the town of Ocho Rios will benefit the tourism industry as well as the business community. This is great news.
Yeah. Jody wants us to wave.
Hi.
Hey, I don't know who we wave to. Oh, who we wave to, Jody?
I don't know.
Who we wave to?
The people on Instagram and such.
Oh, we can't wave again. Come on. We don't wave.
Hi.
Yeah, so Jody, we
this
have
is social media while electronic media is happening. Go.
Can we have no, Jody?
Friday.
We still would have like know who are we waving to still.
People.
It's not a problem. What's the next one?
People. Lord of mercy.
Push back for PEP. We
Push
spoke
back
about
for
this.
PEP.
Yeah.
Apparently there was supposed to be an exam in December that has now been rescheduled to March.
Yeah.
This for the grade 5ers or grade 6ers or this is so which one?
Yeah, Leonard Richards is the president of the National Parent Teacher Association. And he's also saying, well, the ministry did well. He said that this would place parents in a better position to inform them and to prepare them or prepare their kids for the exam or children. He says if you get an extended time to prepare for an exam, then certainly it is welcome. And I'm very happy that the ministry listened to the stakeholders. Oh, there you go.
Okay, well...
Yeah, I think we said a little bit about this.
Lots of PEP issues, can I tell you?
Yeah.
Lots of concern.
You know what I don't understand?
What you don't
Well,
understand?
I do understand what they're trying to achieve. I don't understand if it makes a difference to the school that you end up going to.
PEP?
Yeah.
Yes.
It does?
Yes.
Oh.
Based on your grade.
They know the same things you said they do based on your grade.
Yeah.
That's my
but
point.
It's just a different method of deciding. So they start collecting grades for the kids from grades 4 and 5, but it's the ones in 6 that will matter.
Yeah.
And it will be based on your grades.
No, I understand. I understand the difference in the exam.
Yeah.
But it's the same basic thing where
Right. But it's just a change in the exam from rote, which I think it wasn't encouraging the kids to critically think and
just
so on.
memorize the thing and go through it. Yeah,
so that's the change, really, is the core.
Choosing the school or ending up at a school would be chosen the same way as it was with
It's still going to be
GSAT.
based on your grade.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Cease and desist.
From what, please?
Says,
what me do?
Hanover Municipal Corporation issues stop order on 2 major projects. It says, according to the HMC, the action was part of his ongoing bid to stop the practice of developers erecting buildings without the necessary permits and approval. So reports from the corporation are that a cease work order was served on the Rio Port Marley Limited with regard to development being carried out at its hotel in Negril. It also said that a stop order was served on a Chinese developer who is constructing a building in Lucy opposite a Texaco service station. They say scant regard was shown for the corporation in its building codes and regulations, as the developer had been previously served with a cease work order, yet he continued carrying out construction work on the project. Well, there you go.
Is that right?
The officials said that coming out of the corporation's recent physical planning and environment committee meeting, a decision was taken to serve the stop order in that developer. Now, in the case of the Rio cease work order, the officials said the situation with Rio has to do with three things: the amount of mud being transferred to the main roadway by the trucks traversing the project, the parking of workers' cars along the side of the main road adjacent to the project, and the operation of several itinerant vendors along the side of the main road adjacent
What is
to
an
the project.
itinerant?
I have no idea.
Just checking.
I guess it's a vendor who sells itinerant.
You have an itinerary?
But I really don't have any idea what that means. But, well, we have laws and we have regulations, which is what they're saying, and then you have to ensure that you abide by that.
By the way,
Yep.
why didn't we talk about Pink Day? We're both wearing pink this morning because it's Pink Day, guys.
It is Pink Day.
Yes.
This
Breast
has to do
Cancer
with
Awareness
Breast Cancer
Month.
Awareness Month.
If you have something pink, can you wear it to work today?
Yeah.
To show your solidarity for the folks who
Folks, you know, say, my
have
shoes
fought,
pink.
have lost a fight. Look at it.
My shoes pink.
Show up it like we see.
Show up it. Make
The
me see.
irregular style and catch.
Yeah. Show
Whoa,
up. Make me see my
cash.
pink shoes. Feel me at the dress.
Is that how my gator onto it?
Yeah.
Lacoste.
Lacoste. Pink
Stylish
shoes.
till you cannot be stylish anymore.
Pink shoes.
Look at it sitting on the people on TV. Do you think that's correct?
It's you tell me what shoe be talking.
I know, but you don't do everything I say, so why you choose to do
I
that?
usually do what you say.
No, you don't.
But you're right. It don't make sense to have just one foot.
Put up
So
the two of
because
them.
put up
There
the
you
two of
go.
them and
Much
don't
more
have-
balanced now, but
I
then we
look
can't see
very
the pink.
comfortable.
Ah,
There you
true.
go.
Mine you kick over here and the cup. Them nice. I
Comfortable.
like them.
Thank you
They
very
make them in lady horn.
What? Where's that? Sometimes you can talk some foolishness, yeah, man. You should not show up with you. I'm being foolishness.
Do they make them for women?
Oh, no.
Make them in lady horn.
In what? What you see me thing? So my mic I make nice, but that's won't fix it.
Should I chain rubbing onto it?
Yeah, but I did fix it first, and I mean,
This is a magic when we can't fix this. Hook up Benji.
Just take it off. Just take off the mic. There you go.
It's hooked up into the little. Yes, no, that's going to be a problem. Just hold it so till
Is that? What's the word?
till ear.
I'm not
Just hold
hearing
it so now.
Oh, you're so hold it so?
Yeah,
All right.
go on. Yeah.
All right. Wait no more. What are you doing, my thing?
Your birthday? You're making it worse. Just it's hooked in a very precarious part, so don't try and fix it.
Cannot remove around. Yes, I do have birthdays.
So go on. It's October 5. It's
Yeah,
October,
it is October
5.
5.
Oh my God.
It says, happy birthday to my mom, Aditha Scarlett, from her daughter, Karen Dooley. Well, there you go. So, Aditha, don't it? Aditha, Miss Aditha, I hope you have an absolutely brilliant day today and many happy returns. Happy 5th birthday to Khalees Reed from Mom Candy, Dad Lando, Sister Kelsey, and brother, is it Micaldo or Micaldo?
I don't know. Probably Mikhail.
Micaldo. Here she is. Beautiful. There's Khalees. My mom is Calice, which is C-A-L-I-C-E. This is, or you think this is Calice too? Or Khalees?
Probably Khalees.
Probably Khalees. Khalees is all.
Cutie pie.
Yeah, there she is. And also, happy birthday
Bad money
to
cold.
Licia, who works at Bijou.
Oh,
Yeah, Licia works at Bijou in New Kingston. Licia,
they're closed now for refurbishing.
yeah, but they're going to be opening back, I think, this November. I think.
Is it?
Yeah. So, Licia, I hope you have an absolutely amazing day, and I wish you many, 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 many more. If that's not,
So you go Bijou regularly, go shop?
not regularly, but I've been there a couple of times.
That's where you get that bracelet onto your right hand?
No, this was given to me for
Look,
my,
Bijou fish.
yeah, this was given to me for my birthday, I think,
Was
or
it?
Christmas or something. I remember Christmas, I think.
Okay. So what you getting me for my birthday?
Just tell me what you want. Happy birthday, folks. Have a great day.
We know the key to unity of all people is in the dream that you had so long ago that lives in all of the hearts of people. Believe in unity. We'll make the dream become a reality. I know we will. Because our hearts tell us so. is life.